Hey guys, I wanted to do a review today on my Aliexpress hair that I received. I actually had brought an additional 16 and 18 inches because I had a little issue with the first 16 and 18 that I brought, my first bundle, so I ordered an additional 16 and 18. And right now I have 14, 16, and 18. So the hair comes down a little past my boob. So as you can see, it hangs very low. It's very flowy. This is the Brazilian wave. I straightened it out. It's very it's the bomb.com. My friend straightened it for me actually because I don't have the patience to do this myself. But I love it. My first initial, sorry guys. My first initial thought on the hair with my first install, it wasn't that great because I had bleached it and the hair started breaking and shedding a lot, but hopefully this time it won't do that to me. But for right now, I'm loving the hair, and I'll come back in a couple days and show you guys another video on my hair flexi rod and how the curls look. But as of right now, this hair is great. Let me give you a little flow. Bring it back. Ow. Alright, so let me know what you guys think. I know it's been a while since I put a video up, but you know, I'm here and there. I dip and I dab with YouTube. When I get a chance, I make a video. So here I am, Aliexpress Body Wave, 3 packs, 14, 16, and 18. Thank you.